Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about Tesla and its new partner, which is Uber, okay, and how Tesla try or to increase the number of vehicle sales in the by the end of the quarter. And Tesla's goal is to produce 1.8 million EVs per year, and so Tesla will do whatever it takes to sell as many vehicles as possible, even partnering up with other companies as well. And in this article by Electric, you can see it's right here that Tesla is partnering up with Uber, and they are giving $3,000 off on top of the other discounts or the tax credits that we normally get. So here we can say that back in the days until 2020, Hertz, it's also like a rental company, and they'd be buying a lot of Tesla vehicle, like 100,000, and they also will buy like another 50,000, and to let all the Uber drivers rent it and then do the Uber things. So with this one right here, Tesla is partnering straight directly with Uber. So and they're giving the $3,000 off. It depends on the driver's ratings, and here is the requirement. The amount of the discount is based on the driver's rating. So Blue and Gold driver receive $1,000 when you purchase an eligible Tesla vehicle and complete 100 trips in your EVs on your Uber platform. To qualify, you must have your Tesla vehicle delivered during December 23rd and complete 100 trips before February 15, 2024. So as you can see there, a minimum required right there, you got to do 100 trips between. So in a way, it benefits Uber as well. The more trips you make, the more money, the more commission they get as well on top. And the other one is the Platinum drivers receive $2,000 when you purchase an eligible Tesla vehicle and complete 100 trips in your EV on the Uber platform. To qualify, you must have your Tesla vehicle delivered during December 2023 and complete 100 trips before February 15, 2024. Again, Tesla is also pushing a lot of sales by the quarter end, which is December. This is what happened with me, and I bought a vehicle on the inventory and I picked it up on December 29th. So once again, Tesla is pushing to sell as many vehicles as possible. And for the diamonds, for the diamond drivers, they receive $3,000 when you purchase an eligible Tesla vehicle and complete 100 trips in your EV on the Uber platform. And to qualify, you must have your Tesla vehicle delivered during December 2023 and complete 100 trips before February 15, 2024. So here we go. State of the automaker is trying to reach its goal of 1.8 million. Okay, so another thing that I want to talk about is the 7,500 federal tax credit, and there's a lot of things that have been confusing, and you don't know where to start. And actually, Tesla has it on its website. So we're going to go to the website. We're going to take a look at it, and we'll see exactly what it is. So I'm on the Tesla website right now, and you can see we can read the fine lines over here. The 7,500 federal tax credit ending on December 31st. So that's another push for if you're looking to, you need a vehicle and you want to have qualified for the credits, you got to pick it up by December 31st. All new Model 3 vehicles currently qualify for federal tax credit for eligible buyers. So meaning you also have to be eligible. If you don't make that your income in the bracket or higher, then you won't qualify, or lower you will qualify. Well, it depends, all right? So make sure you qualify first. The 7,500 tax credit will end for Model 3 rear-wheel drive and Model 3 long range on December 31st, 2023. So again, I don't know why the performance is not listed on here, but if you don't care about the long range or the rear-wheel drive, then the performance, you still qualify afterwards, okay? And take delivery by December 31st for full credit. Again, I've read somewhere over there that the government is issuing or giving out with new information. Instead of federal tax credit on when we filed our taxes, this time maybe January 1st, 2004, you're gonna get like an instant $7,500 off on January 1st. and it goes straight to the dealer discount price. So we are not 100% sure yet, but that is something that's out there. So like I said, if you don't really need a vehicle by then maybe I suggest you hold on to the next year and then wait until we get more information about all the incentive. Or if you need a vehicle and either way you're gonna drive it, you're urgent, and then you might as well buy it and take advantage of all the promotion that they're giving, the 7,500 fair tax credit, and also the 6-month free supercharging, and so, right? So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding about Tesla, please leave a comment below. If you love the video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. On that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.